Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Campbell County, east central Bedford County, the city of Lynchburg, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Abington, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Forest, Abington, and Timberlake. This includes the following locations: Liberty University and Lynchburg Airport.